This is your weekly fix for all things classic cars. Welcome to another episode of Driving the Classics. I'm David Mayfield. Again, we are here at Biff Buzby's in San Antonio, Texas. This is one of those places I have a meet every Friday night, weather permitting. It's usually $5, but hey, we got in free tonight. So if you have that car fixation, this is your weekly fix for all things classic cars. So come along with us tonight. They're still coming in. It's still early. Let's see what beautiful classics they bring here tonight. Come on. David Mayfield with Finding the Classics. If you're having a hard time finding the classic car that you're really looking for, give us a call. Look at our website. It's going to be down in the description here. We'll also have it down here on the screen. We can find any car you're looking for. We'll do the negotiating. We'll do anything you need to get the car of your dreams. So give us a call. Go to our website. Number is 830-423-2007. We're located in New Braunfels, Texas. So give us a call. Look at our website. What are you looking for? What can we do to help you drive your dreams? Well, there we go. It was a smaller show just because it's winter time and not a lot of people have it out, but we had a good number show up tonight. Didn't have the band, and so had a little bit less people here tonight, but again, we had a good sampling of a lot of good classic cars. So we appreciate you watching Driving the Classics, and if you haven't yet, I ask you to hit that subscribe button, like these videos, and ring that bell if you want updates anytime we upload a new post. We're trying to do this more, but again, it is winter time, so the car shows aren't really going on as much, but we're going to try to get as much as we can and get that content out there for you. If you want to comment on something, if you have a suggestion, I'd invite you to put it down in the comments for us, whether you like it, anything. We're trying to make this channel the best channel we can for you, our loyal viewers. So again, thank you so much, and always remember to drive your passion. See you next time on Driving the Classics.